So Country. It's choreographed by Amanda Knox and Rob Holley. It is a 32 count, 2-wall improvement level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn She's So Country. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a right heel grind quarter turn. So you're going to take your right heel, place it forward, putting your weight onto your right heel. You're going to rotate your toes to the right, making a quarter turn over your right shoulder to face 3 o'clock, and then you're going to step down onto your left foot. We're now going to do a right coaster with a heel, stepping your right foot back, left together, and place your right heel forward. You're going to step your right foot next to your left, step forward with your left, and then step your right foot to the right side, shoulder width apart. We're now going to do a body roll. We're going to roll our upper body forward and then back, putting your weight onto your right foot. On some of the walls, there is a styling choice that you can squat down and then come back up, doing it as sassy as you would like. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will be doing the body roll. When you practice it and you get it down and you hear it in the music, you can add that in yourself. All right, let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're going to do your heel grind quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight is on your right foot. Section 2, we're going to do a left heel grind quarter turn. You're going to take your left heel, place it forward, putting your weight onto your left heel. You're going to rotate your toes to the left, making a quarter turn over your left shoulder to face 12 o'clock, and then step down onto your right foot. We're going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover onto your left, and we're going to do a half shuffle, making a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, and then make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right foot facing 3 o'clock. You're going to do your heel grind turn with your left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to step forward with our left foot. You're now going to do a half turn over your right shoulder as you hit your right knee up. You're now facing 12 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot, and you're going to hit your left knee forward. You're now going to rock forward with your left foot, recover onto your right, and we're going to do a left pony back. You're going to step back with your left and slightly hit your right knee up. Step down onto your right, step back with your left and hit your right knee up. Let's try it with some counts. We would have just done our half shuffle to face 6 o'clock. Weight is on your right foot. You're doing your 2 half hitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a reverse rocking chair. So we're going to rock back with our right foot, recover onto your left, rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left. You're now going to quickly step your right foot next to your left and cross your left over your right, and then we're going to hold. You're then going to step your right foot slightly to the right side and cross your left over your right, and then you're going to hold, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our pony back. Weight is on your left foot. You're rocking back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, hold 6, and 7, hold 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again with your heel grind quarter turn. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your heel grind quarter turn to the right. Heel grind quarter, coaster with the heel, ball walk, out, body roll, sit, quarter heel grind, recover, coaster, step, rock, recover, half shuffle, step, half hitch, half step, hitch, rock forward, recover, pony back, rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, ball cross, hold, ball cross, hold. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing that heel grind to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hold 6 and 7. Hold 8. And then you would start all over, taking your right heel, placing it forward, doing that heel grind quarter turn to the right to continue on to the next wall. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 4 walls, or 2 front, 2 back. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your heel grind quarter. Heel grind quarter, coaster with the heel, ball walk, out, body roll, weights right. Heel grind quarter with your coaster, step, rock, recover, half shuffle. Step, half hitch, half step, hitch, rock forward, recover left, pony back, rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, ball cross, hold ball cross, heel grind. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hold 6 and 7. Hold 8. Heel grind quarter, coaster with a heel, ball walk, out, body roll, sit. Heel grind quarter, coaster, step, rock, recover, half shuffle. Step, half hitch, half step, hitch, rock, recover left, pony back, rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, ball cross, hold, ball cross, hold, heel grind. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hold 6 and 7. Hold 8. And that is the end of the dance. Now there is no ending listed on the step sheet. What I like to do so I can end facing front is you'll be doing the back wall. It's the very beginning of that back wall. So you would do your heel grind quarter, and then I just make a quarter turn, stepping my right foot to the right side to face 12 o'clock so that I end facing the front. Sometimes I throw my hip out and make it a little bit sassy. So now that you've learned the dance with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp listed in the video description below to go to the rear facing demo so that you can practice it as much as you would like so that you can rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn She's So Country. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.